Hi everyone, welcome to today's show. Today I would like to show you the options that are out there to keep your Fujifilm X-T3 powered up, especially if you are shooting video. Your Fujifilm X-T3 is a formidable beast when it comes to video. It's also very good when it comes to photography, but today we're just going to focus on how to power it up for longer shooting, or even if you are out there in a field and you might not be able to get a chance to charge your camera or your batteries. So here's the first option. This is the original Fujifilm X-T3 battery grip. Fujifilm actually designed this battery grip in a way that you're going to have your two batteries in here. These that I have are generics, and you're also going to have another one inside the camera. So all in all, you'll be running the camera with 3 batteries. From the test that I have done with just the battery inside the camera, my settings were 4K 50 frames per second. I managed to get 40 minutes of footage. You might get a little bit more or a little bit less depending on your test. On the normal high definition 1080p 50 frames per second, I managed to get 1 hour 10 minutes with just the battery, and that is one battery. So you can have 2 batteries on a grip and 1 in the camera. Another advantage to the grip is that while you are shooting, say your camera is on a tripod, you can actually use the port here to plug on the wall a 9-volt charger and charge the 2 batteries inside your grip. It is not going to charge the battery that is inside the camera. It's just the 2 that are inside the grip. From what I have seen, somebody might have seen it differently. The Fujifilm X-T3, firstly, it uses the batteries inside the grip before it goes to the one in the camera, which is clever because you can also, while it's using the battery that is inside the camera, you can pull out this and go charge your batteries with an external charger. Here is the second option. My test was done on this, which is the ADATA power bank. And the main thing with the power bank that you must use on your camera, it must be a fast charging power bank. That means it must have an output amps of 2.1 and more. So this is 2100 mAh. It's actually a big and massive brick. So I definitely don't want to use this while I'm busy shooting and carrying it on myself. But with the test that I was doing, I was indoor, so it was not a problem. And what you're going to need will be a USB-C cable, and on the other side it must be a normal USB-A cable. From the test that I have ran with this power bank plus the battery inside the camera, on 4K ultra high definition 50 frames per second, I managed to get 1 hour 32 minutes and the battery was depleted, the camera switched off. So let's go to the next option. This is what is on the Fujifilm website. This is the recommended power bank, and it is recommended because it has what we call power delivery port. It has a USB-C port here and it's written PD, that is power delivery. The test that I did with this, I managed to get 1 hour 34 minutes and I actually still had 4 bars from the 5 bars in the battery. But what happened after that 1 hour 34 minutes of 4K ultra high definition 50 frames per second, the camera started to overheat. In fact, not started to overheat. It was from amber to red. Then I decided to switch off the camera. We have another option to keep our X-T3 Fujifilm powered up, which I don't have here, but that is a dummy battery. So you can insert a dummy battery inside your camera. What you're going to do is remove the battery, put the dummy battery in, And the dummy battery, you can use either a USB or you can plug it on the wall. The only reason I don't like the dummy battery is that you'll be having a couple of cables hanging, so it's not tidy. So with a USB, you just have one cable going into your camera. So that is the options that we have, and that is what I have tested. Maybe somebody have tested something differently. Please comment below. If this video is important to you or it will help you in future, please hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell so that you can get more notifications. This is from me, Kagiso from Kagiso M Production. We do everything: photography, filming, streaming, and also knowledge sharing. I'm out.